Hi and welcome to my messy studio. Today I'm gonna clean this up a little bit because it's a mess over here. And at heart I am a minimalist, so I really like clean spaces and I don't like a lot of stuff. And I don't like old stuff getting the way of the new stuff that will come in. So every once in a while I like to clean my space, clean the things that I don't like or I don't need anymore. And also, as you probably figured out already, I'm a painter. And right now I'm going through a really big shift in my painting journey. And I have a lot of paintings that I don't like anymore. Actually, no, I like them, but I don't like them in my art space, in my art studio, because I want to be inspired with new things, and I don't feel like those paintings are inspirational for me in my new art studio, because I like to be surrounded with fresh, inspiring stuff. For me, I really want to focus on cleaning this space up. I have some paintings here that are here from like 2021. It's a long time for my journey. It's not actually a long time, but my art went through a shift like 2 times already. And I have to make my workspace really clean and really beautiful so I can create with ease and feel free. I thought I would take you along on my journey of cleaning up my art studio and putting in some fresh energy, you know? So come along. I can't wait for a day when everything will be wireless. I paint in the same room and I work in the same room, and I also do everything because I have my computer here, and on my computer I work for my job, and I do some personal stuff and everything, and I also edit my videos and do all the art stuff, and here I paint. And it's just this mix of workspaces, and sometimes this distracts me, you know, because a place reminds you of something, so you focus on this particular thing easier in this space. You know, when they say like have a particular place for this kind of work, and particular place for reading, and particular place for sleeping. So yeah, don't mix the spaces, and I have a bit of a problem here, so I will try to make separate spaces in this room, separate spaces for my art painting and separate spaces for my computer time. I don't know how it's gonna go. Maybe it's a bad idea, but I just had this idea yesterday and I thought I will try it. I hope it will not make this room way smaller than it is, but we will see. We will take down the paintings that I don't want in my art space, art studio anymore. This painting is very dear to me. It's called Zen, and I'm gonna actually put it in my living room or somewhere else, because it's not representative of the work I do now, but I still love it very much. It reminds me of present moment and peacefulness in the mind. She has this whole ecosystem inside her head. And yeah. I have a lot of paintings in storage because I have been painting for a really long time, for probably around 7 or 8 years, and I have 4 huge boxes of paintings, my very old paintings that are really not good. And I wanted to throw them away or like burn them or something, but I never could. I didn't want to throw them in the trash because I just imagined like them being in the trash somewhere, like in a big trash field or whatever, and the thought of it was always really unsettling, so I didn't want that. And I then wanted to burn them like in fire, because I have this fire pit in my backyard and we just like burn stuff that is from paper or fabric or stuff. Not a lot, but this was my alternative to the trash, and I still couldn't do it. I was holding the paintings, so I would throw them in the fire, but I don't like them. I don't think they look good or anything, but I'm just attached to them. I don't know, I'm really attached to my paintings, even if they are very old and bad. I don't know what to do with them. Do I just like drag them along for all my life, wherever I move? I don't know. If any of you have some good suggestions, please tell me. Tell me, what do you do with your old paintings, or how do you unattach from them? Because I would really want to know. I need some advice. The painting Apple Blossom, and it's really simple. It's a study. I like it, but it's not inspiring me anymore, so I will put it away. This ballerina, I'm surprised that no one bought it yet, because people usually really like oval or round paintings. And this one is really cute, like she's a princess dancing in the forest. Look at it. It's so pretty. But yeah, no one has bought it yet. This is a rose hip cottage, and it's cool, but I have painted a new version that is way cooler. At least in my opinion, my style has changed since I have painted this. It was exactly a year ago, a year and a month actually. So I'm gonna put it in the storage because I have a dreamer's cottage. A dreamer's cottage that is my new rose hip cottage. And yeah, that's it for this wall. I will rearrange it in the next sections of this video, but for now, those are the paintings that I'm gonna leave on the wall. I also have some paintings here. This painting is significant and it's really dear to me. I loved it when I painted it, and I painted it when I was making more realistic kind of portraits. So I really love this one. I don't wanna put it away. You know what? I will put this one in some other space, in my living room or somewhere. And I will also put those two away because I'm not making portraits right now. I don't make portraits right now, so those are going in a storage. They are not inspiring to me at the moment. And those paintings are ancient. All of those are going in the storage at least, because they are old and I don't like them anymore. I never really liked this one because it seems like a painting of a story that I don't know. This is the best description for me of the paintings, that they look like I should know a story of them, but I don't know it. So I don't know if that makes sense. Do you have maybe experience with those kind of paintings? I am trying not to paint those kind of paintings anymore, but yeah, I don't know if that makes sense. This one is my first painting I made on wood. And it's cute, but it's not representative of my style anymore. But it's kind of pretty. Look at her eyes. I like it. But yeah, I'm gonna put it in the storage. I also have two dinosaurs that I like. I love them actually, but they are not representative of my style anymore. They were kind of experimental. I'm sorry, there's a light behind me, but yeah, those two are going in the storage also. And I did it. I selected the paintings that will stay on the walls. I will put all of my old paintings here behind the computer and here behind me. And in my art space I will have only new paintings that really inspire me. But right now it looks horrible because there are nails in the wall. And yeah, I'm gonna rearrange that and make this space really pretty. So I technically moved the table in the middle of the room, and maybe you would say that that is not a smart idea because then the room is going to look smaller. But I really like this feeling of having separate space for my computer time and for my painting time. And I think retrospectively now that that was a good idea. I was never really good at cleaning. I was always pretty good at organizing stuff, but with cleaning the dust and stuff, I was most of my life really bad at. I don't like doing it, and I don't really notice the dust so much. I'm that kind of person, but I'm trying to also to have really clean and fresh space. And I am pretty happy with my new setup. I always feel pretty refreshed with reorganizing my stuff once in a while. I think it's kind of necessary for me to feel good in my space. My brain just is happy when things move around and when things are changing around me, and when I'm upgrading my surroundings. I think we grow out of our space when we are growing as people. When I'm growing as a person, I sometimes start to feel too big for my setup that I have in life, and I also have to upgrade my setup, not just my, personality and my knowledge and me as a human, but also my surroundings. I have to clean up what is no longer serving me and bring freshness and cleanness. I don't know if that's a word, but to bring this fresh vibe into my life. It's better to be surrounded with clean, empty space than with space full of stuff that are no longer serving you. That's my opinion. And then I also had to package an order that came in earlier. Thank you very much for your support by purchasing my art in my Etsy shop. I'm really grateful for it, and it's really a joy of my existence to pack orders for you and send them off to the world. You can check out my Etsy shop if you haven't already. If you wanna surround yourself with my art, with my prints, or just if you wanna stick my sticker to your journal or bring something fresh to your phone case, I have my Etsy shop link down below. And yeah, thank you so much, but don't feel pressure. If you can't, no worries. But you can always subscribe if you are not already. I make new videos consistently, and I really enjoy filming my creation process, my life, my art journey, and I'm grateful for each and every one of you. And that is it for this video. I hope it inspired you to bring some freshness into your life, and I will see you again really soon, actually next week, with another video. Have a lovely day. If not, I hope you have a lovely day tomorrow or a day after that. And see you soon. Bye.